In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a Canva design from one account over to another. So here I'm on canva.com, and if you go to the top right and click on the profile icon, you can see what account you're currently in. So I'm currently in the account which is bradleyharrison180@gmail.com, and I'm going to transfer a design over to another account. Now to do that, what you want to do is first find the design. So I'm going to go to projects, and for the sake of the video, we will transfer this one here. So open up your design. Now once you've got your design open, go to share in the top right hand corner, and then go ahead and scroll down and go to more. And then you want to go ahead and find template link. So it should be at the top here under share. Click on template link. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and create a template link. And this is going to create a shareable template, which we can add to our other account basically. So go ahead and copy this design. Now what I would do is log in to your other account. Now you can do this in an incognito window or another browser. Now I'm going to open an incognito window just so we can have two accounts on one computer, because obviously you can't be logged into the same account on the same web browser. So here we are in incognito. Now paste in your Canva template link and then go ahead and use template for new design. Now it's going to prompt you to log into your new account. So I'm going to continue with email, and we can go ahead and log in with our new account. Okay, so once we've logged in, we will now see this design inside of our new account. So here, if we go to the top right, you can see we're now in KnowledgeBase tutorials at protonmail.com. And this is a new account. Now, if we go back to the Canva homepage, we can go open menu, we can go to Canva, right? Now, if we go to projects, you will see that design in your new account. And just to prove, here is the new account, KnowledgeBase tutorials at protonmail.com. And then here is the old account, bradleyharrison@gmail.com. So that's how you can transfer it. Just use that method and you can get your design on another account. I hope that quick video did help you out.